Hello.
This is my friend Dan, master of selfies right there. Hello. Oh. Well, hello, Las Vegas. The casinos. Whoa. The exotic hotels. Yeah. The free tram. Wow. It's like we're experiencing it for the very first time. It's always good to relax before that big hand pay. Okay, we had a little accident here a while ago, and I'm a little embarrassed.
We're running it on a 24-hour loop. It's a cautionary tale about over-drinking.
Enough goofing around. It's time to get serious. Okay, after a long day of putting money in slot machines,
let's take a ride on the Monopoly Express.
Playing craps.
Craps is all about control. And then keep hitting this button a lot.
There's only one option you have. Whoop, whoop. We're here in Caesar's Palace. We're going to visit an old friend.
How are we going to be in Joe Louis? We got to score this.
Joe Louis. Thanks to our little hack in the Caesar's Palace, you're seeing the secret planning that makes this photo shoot happen. When it looked like the odds were against Dan, it was time to step up and teach Joe a lesson. If you thought we'd spend our last few hours in Vegas just laying around, that was not going to happen.
Hello. Hello.
Final offer. Oh, you're a winner.
Ooh. I knew Vanna White would do you good.
One up.
Fingers across. That was an 11-minute spin. Not bad. What do you want to do now?
Let's go buy some bubble gum.
Dual universes here. We got two Mickeys together. This is scary. Only in Las Vegas.
Topsy-turvy world.
Big money.